بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هنتكلم عن الهيكابس as a symptom of GI disease. Hiccups usually is a benign and self-limited annoyance, may be persistent and a sign of serious underlying illnesses. وفي الحالات دي ما بيبقاش لوحده، بيبقى هيكف ومع حاجة كمان symptoms according to the affected system. In patients on mechanical ventilation, hiccups can trigger a full respiratory cycle and result in respiratory alkalosis. Causes of benign self-limited hiccups include gastric distension with carbonated beverages, excessive air swallowing or overeating, sudden temperature changes from hot to cold, alcohol injection, state of heightened emotion, excitement, stress, laughing. There are over 100 causes of recurrent or persistent hiccups due to GI, CNS, cardiovascular, and thoracic disorders. وزي ما قلنا دي في الغالب بيبقى معاها signs و symptoms و manifestations of the accompanied disease. Persistent hiccups may be a typical presentation of COVID-19. Evaluation of persistent hiccups, a detailed neurological examination, serum creatinine, liver chemistry tests, radiology chest x-ray. If this is not giving clue to the diagnosis, we might need CT and MR of the head, chest and abdomen. Sometimes we need upper endoscopy and echocardiography. وزي ما قلنا ان الهيكب اللي هو persistent في الغالب بيبقى معاه other manifestations giving clue to the affected system. فنادر ان هيكب بيرسي كده واحنا محتاجين ان احنا نعمل له evaluation. Treatment for simple hiccups. Simple remedies might help, like irritation of the nasopharynx by tongue traction, lifting the uvula with a spoon, catheter stimulation of the nasopharynx, eating 1 tablespoon of dry granulated sugar. الفكرة انه بيبلع السكر ناشف من غير ما يبله بريقه، بحيث انه بيعمل countering للريفلكس irritation فبيقف الهيكف. Interruption of the respiratory cycle by breath holding or Valsalva maneuver, sneezing, gasping, or breathing into a bag, stimulation of the vagus by carotid massage, irritation of the diaphragm by holding knee to chest, continuous positive airway pressure during mechanical ventilation, relief of gastric distension by bleaching or insertion of a nasogastric tube. Drug treatment, usually starting with chlorpromazine, 25 or 50 mg oral or intramuscular. Other agent reported to be effective: anticonvulsant, benzodiazepine, metoclopramide, baclofen, gabapentin. For severe intractable hiccup, phrenic nerve block, vagal nerve stimulation, sometimes general anesthesia.